Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this time we're taking you out to the USS Orleck car show in downtown Jacksonville. And this is Walkabout Cam. This was a great show. We held it at the USS Orleck. We had it on Pearl Harbor Day, which means we had a lot of military vehicles, a lot of military salutes. We even had a cannon salute. It was a great car show. Anyway, so I took a lot of video, took a lot of pictures. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, we're out here at the Orleck car show, USS Orleck car show. And there's quite a few cars out here, even despite the cold. Couldn't tell you how many cars they got, but it's quite a few. So yeah, I got a good bit of video. So I'm probably going to leave early because it's still quite cold out here. I don't know what the temperature is, but it is cold. And it's starting to get windy, so it's going to get even colder with the wind. So, but yeah, here's kind of a look around. Let me ratchet the camera up.
Real quick announcement. At 11 o'clock, we are going to be doing a missing man table ceremony on board the USS Orleck.
Yeah, we got military vehicles. We even had a cannon salute a minute ago. So, yeah, this is a good car show. If you ain't out here, or if you were thinking about coming out here and you didn't, you're missing out. I think they're going to do it again next year. I think they're going to try to make it an annual thing. So, definitely going to be on the calendar again for next year. So, but yeah, we're gonna head out here in a minute. So, I'll give you a conclusion video too. So hold on. That's the way to get it. You're throwing in with the wolves, buddy. Very chase we had to go out with you. I know.
Appreciating assets for one appreciating. You don't want to be that. Of Pearl Harbor alive, and for celebrating the legacy of American excellence. May God bless our veterans, our military, and these United States of America. Thank you.
So with that, everyone, please be prepared for a loud bang here any second. Hey there, Charlie. And let's have a great day. Remember, the raffle tickets are for sale. Things that we have. We're going to be firing this anti-tank gun once an hour, on the hour, hopefully. Everything goes according to plan. And that will officially kick off today's festivities. Anytime you're ready.
If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.